Hello, here is home number 15 on our sales lot. This is a 2024 Commodore, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a 28 by 48 foot home. Black appliances, island kitchen, stainless steel sink, dishwasher. There is a microwave over the range, built-in hutch in the dining room. Has an end entry, washroom, so laundry room, large living room, coat closet. This is your master bedroom. You set that rug in here so you can kind of get an idea on size for a bed. Walk-in closet. This also has a walk-in shower in here. They have the upgraded porcelain square sinks, large mirror, fiberglass one-piece shower with 2 seats, window, show you the laundry room. Nine-layer door, built-in coat rack, show you bedroom 2 and 3. Another closet in the hall there. Could be a linen. Bathroom 2, fiberglass tub shower. This is bedroom 2. And bedroom 3.